Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at a battery jumper with an integrated air compressor. Let's go ahead and check out everything that comes with it and see how to use it. Alrighty, first off, we've got the jump starter with the built-in air compressor, and we'll go through some features on that here in just a second. We've got two types of chargers, one for in your car, the 12-volt adapter, and then one for your wall socket, the AC/DC adapter. Then we've got the clamps over here, and I actually noticed if you're not quite sure what you're doing with these, the clamps come in handy because on here it gives you the instructions for how to jump start your car, and I'm pretty sure that there's actually a fuse in there that's been wired in, so you don't have to worry about that. And then they also gave you some extra hose here for the air compressor that's kind of located here in the back just in case you need some extension, and they included a little gift of some extra little nozzles, a needle for like filling up a ball or something. I'm sure you could fill up like bike tires with these, a little brush for maybe cleaning up the threads, and then it all comes in this nice little bag that you can carry everything in. So let's go ahead and take a look at how the actual jump starter and air compressor works. Once you plug the jump starter in, you'll notice a little battery readout level in the bottom corner, which is pretty nice because you'll be able to tell when it's fully charged and how much percentage you have left after you're done charging either your battery or other devices. It does have two USB ports there on the side, and then once you unplug the charger, you'll see it kind of come to life here. It's got a little power button here on the side for some emergency lights. Turn those back off. Over here is the port where you're going to put the positive and negative clamps. They'll just plug right in there. We'll look at that once we get in the engine bay here in a minute. And then up here we've got another readout, and this is really nice. I like this because we can choose our different units of measurement. We use PSI, and then you can actually choose how much you want to fill the tire so you don't accidentally overfill and pop something. So we'll go ahead and get in the engine bay and take a look at what to do with the clamps. And putting the clamps in is super easy as well. As you can see, one of these little terminals is actually flat on one side, so you can really only plug it in one way, and it actually gives you a little readout of what's positive and negative. So you're just gonna slide those in and we're ready to charge. So for the Stinger, it's a little bit different. The battery is actually located in the back of the car in the trunk, but the terminals for jump starting the car are located up here in the front in this little fuse box. You can see the red plus up there. Once we open this, what you're gonna want to do is connect the red or positive clamp to this little terminal that's sticking up right there. And then your negative is going to be that little grounded bolt right in there. And actually, if we look at it from this angle over here, you can actually see it has the little negative symbol on it. So we'll go ahead and get that connected, and then I'll show you what it looks like while it's charging. And once everything is connected properly, you can go ahead and hit the little power button down here to wake the unit up, and you'll see that power is being drawn out, so it's charging your battery. And of course, over time, that 100% will go down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the air compressor real quick. Once you have the extension hose screwed in and whatever nozzle you need, again, you can just go over here, wake the unit up by pressing the power button, choose your unit of measurement, however much PSI or whatever you need, and then we flip the switch and that's it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the jump starter or need help jump starting your car, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for your car. I highly recommend it. It's one of those things that you never know when you might need it, and when you do need it, it's nice to have it, you know, sitting in your trunk ready to go. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Welcome to a new video, everybody. Once you have the extension hose